watch this interesting and exciting video of young engineering students who have worked on a few projects. I request you all to watch this video till the end to realize that you also have the same capability, intelligence and smartness to do it yourself. Now you can see how a web application can be developed in just 1 hour. Unbelievable, right? Let's see how they do it.
So Siddharth, this is the biryani app I was discussing with you about. So we have to design this particular layout in React Native. So this is the header bar. I want you to make this header bar and with the hamburger menu. And once we click on it, we need all the items which I'll provide you later. And this is the header bar. We need the company name here. And this is a basic content layout. We need the basic introduction text and some stuff, and here we need a search bar.
Okay.
Search bar so that we can search all the items in this app. Okay, and these are the different cards layout. We have to provide all the different items here.
This has to be the items or the company which is providing the items.
Yeah, the items. They'll provide the items.
Okay.
So we should have to display a slider for these items. And here there has to be a particular image so that we can show all the offers in the coming days.
Okay.
And this is the basic layout for the first screen.
Is there a specific theme for this app, like color theme now?
The color theme, I guess it's orange and white, that's all.
Okay.
It's minimalistic design. Orange is the theme.
How many orders does the company take per day?
As it's a startup company, anywhere around 200 to 20,000 orders per day.
And what area does the company cover?
Right now they're planning to cover only the BTM layout area, in and around BTM layout. And after that maybe they'll expand in the coming days.
And do we have to show navigation to the delivery person in the app?
Yes, of course. We need to use Google Maps API. From the developer's console, you need to take the API key and use the Maps API.
Does the customer have to confirm when they're receiving the delivery?
Yes, the customer has to confirm so that the company can receive how many orders there has been placed and stuff. we started working on this project as per the client requirement. It just took 1 hour to build this, and the technology we used was React Native. Planning is the most important step when working on a project like this. If you have everything planned before schedule, you just need like 1 day to complete this whole project. I'm not even kidding. So 1 day is sufficient, as I told you. Though it seems like a huge task, trust me, it's not.
Of course, what is said is right. Anyone can learn how to build an app. It hardly took us 1 week to learn React and to build apps by ourselves. There are a few basic requirements to learn this. The first and main thing is interest and dedication. And the next is basic skills in HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Finally, the most important thing is guidance. With guidance, with the right guidance, you can be able to achieve anything. And above all that, love for programming is a bonus.
You don't have to wait for graduation to start developing applications. We being the first year CSE students have already started developing applications in numerous technologies. With the right guidance, even you can do it.
Unbelievable, right? I would like to show you an IoT project which a young engineering student has done. Now I know you all are eager to watch this, aren't you guys? Come on, let's see what he has done.
Lights on. Switch off. Lights on. Change lamp. Switch off. Lights on.
Wow, such an innovative IoT project. I would like to show you how to design, develop and host a web application with just basic skills. By the way, I have done it. So, hello everyone. I'm Sharat S. Rao, pursuing my first year engineering in Information Science Engineering at JSS Academy of Technical Education, Bangalore. I would thank Mr. Prasad sir for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. Firstly, I came in contact with Grid R&D, which is in Monotype, Bangalore, in the month of November 2020. So I joined there to learn few coding languages so that it would help me in my future career. So sir helped me in learning all the coding languages like PHP coding, HTML coding, JavaScripting, etc. So after my course, he assigned me with a project called iLearn, where we had to create a blog which would help students or any person who is interested to learn in a particular topic or a subject. So now this was the procedure that we followed to complete this iLearn blog. Firstly, Sir Prasad sir explained in great detail about how the project should go on and what all should be there in the web page, etc. So first step was understanding the project. Next, we spent a lot of time downloading the templates. We downloaded all the templates from w3schools.com. We had to modify each template according to our requirements. So we followed this element inspection and modifying the downloaded template into the required format. So we inspected each element and modified it according to our requirement. Next, we had to connect various web pages to the home page of iLearn blog. So we connected using the ahref link tag. Like for example, online videos called MOOC were supposed to be connected to the home page, and various articles, login, application, registration form, etc. and about the iLearn project. Next, later on, we created a registration or sign up form where the students or participants could register to this iLearn program, and this information, like the information which they provided, like for example their name, contact number, email address, password and username, were recorded in the database called the iLearn database. Now we had to link this database to the HTML using the PHP code. I myself wrote the PHP code to connect the database to the HTML document. Now lastly, we hosted this iLearn blog using the local host with the help of a XAMPP server, ZAMPP XAMPP server. This was the overall procedure that we followed. This is the coding that we have done using the Sublime text. As you can see, it is in the HTML format. This is a 1000+ line code that we have written in order to create this blog. And this is the articles code where the students could download their notes or PDF pertaining to their subject. So here we have put in various notes where students can access according to their requirements. Now this is the registration page. This is the code for registration page. We've done all this using the Sublime text. And this is a PHP code. As you can see, it's a PHP code. This is used to connect the internal database to the front end of the HTML page, that is the iLearn blog. So here, as you can see, we have connected the database to using the connect.php to the front end of HTML. Now this is the display, the table which displays the various records or the information of various students, that people who have registered for this iLearn project. Now these are the various CSS codes that we have used to make it more attractive, so that the web page is more attractive and more users get benefited out of this. And this is the login code that we have written. This is the CSS styles for the login code that we have written. So overall, it was these were the codes that were required to complete this iLearn blog. It was indeed a great experience to be a part of this iLearn project. I would like to thank all my fellow mates and for cooperating and coordinating in all aspects to complete this iLearn project successfully. I would finally thank our founder and director S. Prasad sir for helping me complete this iLearn project, which is actually a very big project. He was so patient, and he explained each and every part in this project so nicely. I'm sure you all will be eager to learn designing and developing new innovative projects. Certainly, Grid R&D will guide and help anyone who is keen on learning new technologies.